Hello, I'm Adam Grimes from Market Life, and welcome to today's free video. Today is December 11, 2019, so this is being recorded for the 12th of December. Now, I have an idea that might, at first glance, not seem exciting. That idea is buy stocks and buy stock indexes. However, you can use this in a couple different ways. First of all, it's very exciting if you identify the right time to buy stock indexes. Even seemingly boring instruments, if you time them well, can give you really, truly outsized returns. Other possibilities are, of course, to trade these with leverage. And a lot of ways you can do that, whether you trade it with futures product, you trade it with a double or triple leveraged ETF. You also can set up really fantastic trades in a lot of these using call spreads, for instance, would be a good way to execute a long trade. So the idea here is that we want to be long a stock index. Now, I don't even really care which one you do, but for the sake of discussion here, let's use the Russell. So we're looking at the IWM. The structure is here. We've been in a year-long range in the Russell. Coming up off of the early January pop, we've then stabilized. We've been on both sides of that range several times. The Russell has significantly lagged the S&P, and that's what this line is. This line is the relative performance to the S&P 500, and you can see smaller caps have lagged, and then perhaps in the most recent data in the last few months, maybe we're starting to see some hints of potential outperformance. And that's the context. The trade is quite simple. This little consolidation here, 4 days on the daily chart. We like the idea of buying an upside break here, and correct stops on the IWM are located somewhere in, let's say, mid 161s. And I think by the time you start getting under 160, you're a little bit far away, because what we're playing for here is a 1-hour profit target. And that's at least your initial target. You can trail a stop on the rest. Maybe we'll get a nice extension at the end of the year. I do think there's some longer term potential in the trade. But what we're really looking for here is just a simple 1-hour trade in stock indexes. I like the IWM Russell 2000, but pick your poison, S&P 500. I would probably stay away from the Dow in this case, but it'll also be okay. NASDAQ's also a possibility, of course. And that's all we have today. I'll see you back tomorrow for another update. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel, give us a like, and tell everybody you know. Thank you very much.